Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use GoTo Resolve, which is a remote desktop access. So to get started with a quick review on how to use GoTo Resolve. So to get started, GoTo Resolve stands out as a comprehensive IT support platform, combining remote access, device management, ticketing, and automation into a unified solution. To get started, sign up on the GoTo Resolve website and download the application suitable for your device. After installation, log in to access the main dashboard where you can initiate remote support section by generating a unique code to share with end users. For unattended access, deploy the agent to target device and configure settings for continuous monitoring. The platform's intuitive interface simplifies the setup process, making it accessible for both IT professionals and small businesses owners. GoTo Resolve core features include remote support, allowing real-time control over a device to troubleshoot issues, device management, providing an overview of all connected hardware with status update and IT automation, enabling the scheduling of routine tasks like software update or system reboot. Additionally, the platform offers reporting and analytic tools to monitor performance metric and identify areas for improvement. For those on the moves, the mobile app ensures that support can be provided anytime, anywhere with its robust feature set and user-friendly design. GoToResolve empower users to efficiently manage IT operation, deliver prompt and support, and that's it.